Evening. I am Wale from Godbrand Games. In this tutorial, we'll be learning 3 HTML formatting moves that will make your web pages much more awesome. Alright, the 3 things we're going to be learning are, I guess, alright, 3 things we're going to be learning are background color, the text color, and we'll be learning how to change both colors of highlights as well for these two. And it's not crazy hard. And Godbrand Games, of course, made it simple for you, so that's everything. Alright, so first let's get into the page background color. Right now we have it purple. Right here we put it in it's in the body text. It has to, so far it has to be, I've only seen it in the body opening tag work. I tried it in the header opening tag and it caused an error, so I think it's body only to get it to work. So it's BG background color. I got some more colors for you to try. Let's see. Black's easy, but that's boring. We were at purple, so how about we go to red. And I always have hex like palettes and codes. If you follow me, you'll see them because Alright, so you see that's red changing. It changes from purple to red, and luckily they put the text color right next to it as well, so you can do it at the same time. Alright, so we tried red. That won't show. What color is the text right now? Yellow text. Alright, let's make the text black. You can usually, in like Excel, Word, or whatever, instead of typing all the zeros, just like clear it out and type 0, and it'll go straight to black usually. Same with Unity as well, which we also have tutorials coming for. But yeah, I don't know if straight 0 will do it for the text here too, but it probably will. Watch. Yep, straight 0. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and type 6 zeros rather than restart this tutorial over a copy and paste error. Not today. Boom. Alright, so I ran it again with the black. And just one more, easier, just because it's all on, let's see. Sometimes you can get lucky and just change one thing and it'll make a noticeable change. Alright, see now it's red because all the text disappeared. And if you make the background color all black, voila, our text is back. Alright, so that's 2 of them. And we have left is the highlights, which is pretty cool. I'm sure it's a even simpler way than what we're doing now, but this is still pretty easy. Alright, so it's pretty much a table. This is a break line right here. I put in our body. It's the sample material right here. Here's a break line just because, make it more legible for everyone to read. I'll put another one in. Boom, 2 break lines. So table color right here, because we have 2 of them. This is where you would change the background color. So right now it's yellow. I don't know what 7 will do, but let's find out. Absolutely nothing. Alright. Let's grab one of the colors we have. Purple. Boom. And the font color is right here. Kind of is this. Alright, what color should I go to? Let's go with the yellow, I guess. LSU. Boom. And then here's the second one. There's probably a way to put labels on them, which will be coming soon for Control F purposes. But this is the last thing here, our second group. We can make it white. I think white's all is just 6 Fs. Yep. Boom. So, yeah, I guess we'll change the color to something cool. We didn't get to use the green. I don't think we use orange either, but they say you follow me, you'll see. You'll see a hex code. There's some more hex codes. You know them by heart. Alright. Let's see what we got. Boom. Alright, so there we go. White, green. I don't use that many hex codes. I mean, not make you think I'm crazy, but always building something. So what doesn't have a background color? You know what I mean? So that's how it happens. But alright, so it's a white background on that. So wrap up. We have the background color is in the body, which is really easy to remember for the whole page. The text and the background color are next to each other. So that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe. Trying to do a tutorial every 2 days. And yeah, have a good one.